If you suffer from diabetes, hair loss, heart and joint inflammation, try this powerful fruit. The tamarind fruit originates from Asia and Africa, and is often used in the Indian cuisine, where it's consumed with a combination of salt and pepper. The tamarind has a unique taste, and besides being delicious, it also offers numerous health benefits. Here's what the fruit can help you treat. Inflammation in the joints and connective tissues. Inflammation and pain in the connective tissues is common as we age, but you should know that the problem can be controlled by consuming the tamarind fruit. The fruit has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the pain and protect the connective tissues, as well as antibacterial properties that can protect your body from infections. The fruit has a rich nutritional profile and contains compounds that can reinforce your immune system, detoxify your body and prevent various ailments. Improves your eyesight. Tamarind contains a lot of vitamin A, which can improve your eyesight and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and other eye problems. Treats hair loss. Tamarind is one of the best natural remedies against hair loss. Just boil it in some water until it softens, then squeeze the fruit to obtain liquid. Apply it on the scalp and rub it in gently, then leave the liquid to work for 60 minutes before rinsing your hair with warm water. Treats diabetes. Tamarind can regulate your blood sugar levels and treat diabetes. Buy some tamarind paste at your local health store and mix it with some herbs and jamon. Consume the mixture regularly to control your blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes. Great for your heart. The tamarind fruit contains essential vitamins and minerals such as potassium, which is vital for the health of your cardiovascular system. The fiber content of the fruit can control your cholesterol levels and fight free radicals in the body, which is why it has been used as a natural remedy against heart problems in Ayurveda medicine for centuries. Most people reach for painkillers and prescription drugs whenever they face a healthy problem, but as you can see, the key to any diseases lies in nature. Use natural remedies such as the tamarind fruit to treat diseases naturally and stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.